Perplexity is best described as an answer engine. So you ask it a question, you get an answer. Except the difference is all the answers are backed by sources.
Did you know there is a search tool that is recently developed to be better and more reliable than Google? Sounds great, doesn't it? Include us in your examination of this amazing new real-time AI search program. Presenting Propensity's fresh rollout. Introduced by Perplexity is an API service called Sonar that lets developers and businesses incorporate the generative AI search capabilities of the company into their apps. The first offering offers two levels: Sonar, an economical and quick option, and Sonar Pro, a high-quality version developed to handle more difficult requests. Highlighting its features, including citation possibilities and adjustable source options, Perplexity defined the Sonar API as lightweight, inexpensive, quick, and simple to use in a blog post earlier this year. Especially for businesses seeking effective question and answer features, the API is ideal. Perplexity will supply the Sonar Pro API, which supports multi-stage queries, offers a larger context window for more extensive and detailed searches, and enables greater extensibility, thereby optimized for fast responses for businesses with more challenging requirements. Furthermore, the business claims it will offer about double the number of references per search relative to the regular Sonar API, with its ability to give consumers real-time Web Connect search capabilities. This launch establishes Perplexity as a more direct and powerful rival to big names including OpenAI and Google. Perplexity, especially given its impressive scores in the simple QA benchmark. Sonar Pro has become a top player in the rather cutthroat market of artificial intelligence technologies, aimed at assessing the accuracy of AI-generated results. This standard shows Sonar Pro consistently beating top competitors and therefore able to provide exact and dependable data. Sonar's real-time feature is one of its most important benefits, as it sets it apart, and therefore corporate looking for up-to-date and useful data can benefit very much. A great help for businesses looking up-to-date and pertinent data. This tool lets businesses instantly get the most current information and insights. Fundamental in the fast-moving world of today is chances. One outstanding illustration of this merger is Sonar being included into Zoom's AI Companion 2.0 invention. Users can effortlessly reach current data simultaneous video through this partnership without switching between apps. Such features could transform how remote meetings are run and enhance corporate research and cooperation. Sonar's pricing scheme appears to be deliberately crafted to shake up the present market dynamics. With small extra token costs, the base level starts $5 for every 1,000 requests, attractively priced, so it is accessible to a broad range of users. Conversely, Sonar Pro, which has higher token costs, counterbalances this with an array of sophisticated functions. Amongst other things, this helps to increase the validity of the information given by boosting the citation density and allowing for several searches concurrently for more difficult queries. This graduated pricing structure not only satisfies the varied needs of consumers but also helps to spread acceptance among businesses seeking economical yet powerful artificial intelligence solutions. Effective yet strong artificial intelligence systems. The live web connectivity, unusual for many APIs that depend only on current training data, is really what distinguishes Sonar from its rivals. Sonar's creative approach enables live data channels to be reached for businesses needing the most recent information to form educated decisions based on the most recent trends and developments. This feature is especially useful. Nevertheless, one should be aware that in situations where deterministic results are necessary, the real-time ability can present difficulties as the variation of live data may cause inconsistencies in the answers, especially in the case of disruptive pricing. Perplexity bills itself as a source of inexpensive artificial intelligence search products particularly designed for the corporate industry. This strategic decision coincides with an important point in the fast-changing AI scene when companies are ever more trying to include sophisticated AI search capabilities into their products and services. Let us look at how it is used now that we have analyzed this fresh introduction. Yes.
Yeah, so our advertising is being fundamentally designed to not corrupt the answer quality because someone else is paying for being part of those links.
How Sonar Pro does. Recent studies have shown its excellent performance. It scored an outstanding score of 85.8 in the basic QA benchmark. This rating not only indicates the high level of accuracy and dependability of the service but also ranks it rather ahead of rivals like GPT-4 and Claude. Such a strong performance underlines Perplexity's capacity to satisfy the increasing need from businesses for response generated by artificial intelligence that is not only accurate but also backed by reputable references. Perplexity's products are well placed to efficiently address these demands as businesses keep looking for powerful AI solutions. Therefore, the company is a significant market player, especially given Perplexity's strong market penetration in the last few months. The launch timing is particularly important. The effective completion of a more than $500 million fundraising round fronted by institutional venture partners underlines this momentum. Investors' faith in the potential of Perplexity and its creative products in this age is evident by the outstanding $9 billion valuation of the company resulting from this investment. Perplexity's method shines in situations where companies are particularly focusing on artificial intelligence solutions that give accurate and current information. Many businesses are moving away from conventional AI models, sometimes opaque black box systems that might hide the rationale behind their outputs. Conversely, there is an increasing need for artificial intelligence applications that not only offer precise knowledge but also empower people to comprehend and check the shown data. Partly because it satisfies the changing requirements of companies looking openness and accountability in their AI solutions, especially for technical decision makers. This shift in preference standpoint Perplexity favors positively in the industry. Sonar's introduction is a major creative complement to the already existing artificial intelligence toolkit, especially good for requests that demand real-time data access and efficient citation management is Sonar. For experts who must guarantee that the data they use is not only correct but also correctly referenced, this tool is absolutely essential since it improves the credibility of their work. Such a tool could allow businesses to make wiser decisions based on the most recent available information given the credibility of their work. Notwithstanding these encouraging changes, Perplexity has one big issue that could become a danger later on: keeping its competitive edge. The business has to negotiate a quickly changing scene as bigger rivals in the artificial intelligence industry start to adjust their policies in response to Perplexity's progress. For Perplexity to keep their growth and top market position in the sector, it will be vital to always be innovating, responding to market demands, and providing attractive value propositions. Whether Perplexity can effectively capitalize on its present momentum and resist market competition from well-known players in the artificial intelligence industry will be determined in the next few months. Let's investigate the mechanism of Perplexity AI to completely grasp why this recent release is causing so much excitement. Perplexity AI is an advanced AI-powered search engine intended to use the powers of big language models to offer users defined and accurate responses to their queries. Perplexity uses a more effective approach unlike usual search engines, which normally provide a list of links for users to go through to find pertinent information directly in natural language. It offers integrated information that helps users to better grasp and connect with the material by cutting the time and effort needed to locate information. This groundbreaking approach guarantees that the responses are contextually relevant and coherent, therefore enhancing the user experience. Perplexity underpins every reply with references, so users can check the data and probe the sources more. The platform also gives suggestions for linked subjects, therefore motivating users to explore fascinating topics and enabling a more thorough knowledge of the material by leveraging the advantages of artificial intelligence together with user-friendly design. Serving the requirements of customers who want fast and reliable responses without the mess of usual search results, Perplexity AI shows a major transformation in the way information is fetched and digested. This methodology helps people to quickly travel challenging ideas using born ideas and tools, thereby not only saving time but also using a better reflected and more involved user population. Still, some characteristics distinguish Perplexity AI from other technologies: flexible and creative. Perplexity AI has capabilities meant to improve user experience query functionality itself. One of the more amazing features of the conversational search capability, driven by natural language processing, is presented here. With Perplexity, requests are considered in context, therefore enabling interactions with the portal to be conversational, without the requirement of overly precise search phrases or technical language. This simplifies the search for pertinent data. Perplexity AI also shines in its multimodal features. The platform uses several major language models and image creation tools, including Dolly 3, Playground V3, and Flux, to produce text, pictures, and sometimes basic code, covering many needs. Therefore, this becomes a strong instrument that not only works for information retrieval but also for content generation. Really, confusion runs even more by means of these functions present in Pro. The Copilot, which enhances query accuracy by impelling clarification questions, are among sophisticated functions. Furthermore, Pro users can change between several LLMs, so increasing flexibility and control of the search and generation process. Professionals and experienced users needing accurate and comprehensive results find the platform especially appealing thanks to these attributes. Perplexity is great at generating material in addition to its search capabilities. Like AI chatbots such as OpenAI ChatGPT, it may produce many kinds of material including written text and images. This sets Perplexity apart as an all-encompassing solution for people wishing to compile, search, and organize information on one platform. The platform is also crafted with a user-centered approach underlining ease of use and accessibility. Voice-based interaction and swipe-to-delete threads on mobile devices help to make it intuitive. Therefore, even first-time users can easily use the system. Moreover, by daily indexing the internet, Perplexity guarantees that users have current information and therefore great value from real-time data. It can offer reliable and timely information on current events and live sporting scores, among other things. Therefore, the platform becomes a trustworthy source. Pertaining to usage and access, Perplexity delivers very useful resources for improving user experience. Perplexity gives good instruments for improving the experience of the consumer. Users can share sets and personalize their configurations via free profiles. Moreover, assisting users to handle their requests effectively and revisit them is the capacity to partition searches across threads and folders. Moreover, the focus feature enables more specific searches on sites like YouTube. By looking at all of these qualities, Reddit and scientific articles broaden the range of available data. You will understand why everyone has come to know the new Perplexity AI release, which implies you should too. Let us know your opinion in the comment area below if you have gotten this far. For more engaging subjects, see on the screen the suggested video. Thanks for watching.